Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for online class. Today I have a presentation and I wanted to film myself getting ready. I already blow dried my hair with my blow drying thingy. I don't know if I'm going to flat iron my hair. I'm just gonna leave it like this and put it on a bun to look like more professional and not just having my hair flowing all over my face. And or if I'm going to be doing like using this and then like a little bun thing with the hair like that and some little hairs here. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I don't even know what I'm going to wear because it's like it's online, so they're only going to see from here to here, but like I still want to look like presentable. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how what I end up doing, I'm just going to be doing natural look, and if I end up flat ironing my hair, which I think that's not going to happen, I really don't want to do it. And let's make this chit chat and just talk with you guys, because I really don't make videos talking and I really want to do videos talking. It feels weird to me, and then I start editing it and then I delete a lot of footage or just make it not talking. By the way, drink water. So let's start off by applying something to my face. I'm going to be applying the Poreless Body Primer by e.l.f. and I'm just going to be using this brush to do it. So I am studying a master's degree. I'm not on my bachelor's, and I am more organized and oh my god, I need to take this down. I'm way more organized and than I was when I was doing my bachelor's degree, by the way. And I was thinking that yesterday, and I feel so bad because I wasn't as organized as I wish I would. Like, I graduated with very high grades, by the way. Not super high, but like mostly high for like college students. But if I was more organized and thought more about school than hanging out and going to parties and going to the club and stuff, I would have had better grades. Maybe I would have graduated with a 4.0. Now I'm going to be doing my brows. I gotta take my brow products from here. I'm going to be showing you guys my latest brow party thing. Not party thing, call it like that. Okay, so I use the Pink Canela brow soap, just in a little tin can, and I combine my two favorite brow products is the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil and the Pharmacy eyebrow liner that is this small right now, but I got a new one anyways. The MAC Fix Plus Coconut one. Wet this a little bit. I'm just going to be putting it on my spoolie and just applying. I got it. I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, and I'm going to be using the foundation powder Pharmacy little thing. concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Caramel Concealer. So for powder, I'm using the Pharmacy BB powder because it's like a BB thing. I thought it wasn't as full coverage as it really is. For bronzer, I'm doing this. I haven't really been doing powder bronzer. I've only been doing cream. I don't know, because I like it more. I can control it more.
For blush, I use the STIL blush, one of my favorite blushes. And for highlighter, I use the Cosmetics highlighter. I think that's how it's spelled.
What I'm gonna do for a little bit. Oh yeah, my favorite because it's my liquid one. I was looking at myself and I was saying, what in the world? Like, what else do I need in my face? And now I remember mascara. I'm gonna use the Pharmacy 3D Effect Mascara, one of my favorites. So guys, this is the finished look. I told you guys it was gonna be super natural. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video because I don't promise you I'm going to be uploading videos every week or so, but I'm gonna try to go back to posting videos and some makeup looks, and I don't know, you guys tell me. So